Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to cancel n8n subscription. If you've decided that n8n no longer fits your needs, or you're simply taking a break, canceling the subscription is a necessary step. Whether you're doing this to avoid unnecessary charges or just to pause your account for a while, the process is quite straightforward. Let's dive into it together and ensure you can do it with ease. To begin with, you'll need to open your favorite web browser and head over to the official n8n website. This is a crucial step because all account-related tasks, including cancellation, are handled directly on the site. Make sure that your internet connection is stable and secure to ensure a smooth process. Once there, the first thing you need to do is locate the sign-in option. Typically, you'll find this option at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. So have your username and password ready to access your account without any hassle. Once you're successfully logged in, your next step is to navigate to the n8n admin panel. Think of this as your command center where you can manage everything related to your subscription and account settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of this panel. It's important because it gives you access to various administrative options and detailed information about your n8n usage. Now, within this admin panel, you'll need to locate the option to cancel your subscription. It might be labeled differently depending on the version you're using or any recent updates, so look carefully for anything that mentions subscription management. Once you find it, click on the Cancel Subscription button or link. By doing this, you will initiate the cancellation process for your n8n subscription. It's crucial to pay attention to any on-screen messages that appear during this process. These messages might provide additional instructions or important information about what will happen once you cancel your subscription. Some services offer alternatives, such as pausing your subscription instead of canceling it permanently. So make sure you fully understand any choices presented to you. If you're currently enjoying a free trial with n8n, there's no need to manually cancel this trial. n8n has an automatic process in place for handling trials. This means that once your free trial period expires, it will do so automatically without requiring any further action from you. After the trial expiration, any data associated with your trial account will be automatically deleted, ensuring you won't be inadvertently charged or billed. This makes managing a free trial a hassle-free experience. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your subscription or confirmed the automatic expiration of your trial with n8n. If you find yourself facing any trouble or have lingering questions during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to n8n's customer service. They are there to ensure your experience is seamless and free of any issues. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to cancel n8n subscription. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.